everyone, welcome back to class. We are doing geometry chapter. In this geometry chapter, today what you will learn? We have learned something that last class. Today we will do little bit revision of that. What we have learned: interior of the angle, exterior of the angle, and angle, about vertex, about point, interior point and exterior point. Okay, so here you are seeing that here given one figure. You have to, in the given figure, you have to name it. What you have to do, you have to name. So let's start it. The angle, you have to write the angle. First question, what is the angle here? Angle ABC. What will be the answer of number A? Number A answer, angle ABC. Okay. Number 2 question, you see what is given there. Here it is given the vertex and the arm of the angle. Here vertex, you are knowing where 2 point meet there, that is known as the vertex. Yes, where what 2 edges meet. So here which one was the vertex? So vertex is B. Number B is the vertex. And arm, what is the arm here? Number second one. And arm of the angle AB and BC. Arm, vertex B and arm AB and A in capital, AB and BC. This one is the arm. Yes, this is the arm of the angle. Now next one, see the point in the interior of the angle. Which point is inside the angle? Interior of the angle, point E and F. Number C, what will be the answer? E and F. Okay, now come to number D. What is given? The point on the exterior of the angle. Exterior means outside. Which point is there? So answer will be G. Clear it is? In this question, what you are saying? First you have to write the angle. What you will write there? Angle ABC. Next question, the vertex and the arm of the angle. Which one is the vertex here? Which one is the vertex here? See, B is the vertex, so we have written the B, and arm of the angle AB and BC. Clear it is? Now next, the point in the interior of the angle. Inside the angle you have to write which point is the interior of the angle, E and F. The point on the exterior of the angle, which point is exterior? G. Clear it is? Now come to next sums. What is given there? Number 2 sums, it is given there that some angles are drawn there. No. Number 2, what we will see what is given there. So if one angle, it is number A, you have to classify the angle. Number 2, classify the angle. -90°. Okay. One is given here 90°. A. B, what is given here? 140°. Yes. C, at 170°. And D, it is given 20°. is 20 degree. Now last class you have learned about the angle. If angle is 90 degree here, which type of angle this is? Right angle. Which angle? Right angle. Now what will be the answer? Right angle. Yes, here measurement is 90 degree. What you will write here? Right angle. Next one is measurement is 140 degree. What angle you will write there? Obtuse angle. Yes, it is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Clear it is? Next one you are seeing that here it is which type? 70 degree. It is 70 degree. That means acute angle. Acute angle. Understood? Next it is you are seeing it is 20 degree. Means again it is which angle? Acute angle. Okay? Acute angle. Clear it is? So what you have seen? In right angle measurement will be always 90 degree. In obtuse angle measurement will be lies between 90 and 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle. And acute angle measurement will be from 0 and 90 degree. No, 0 and 90 degree, that will be the acute angle. Here measurement you are seeing that 70 degree. That means it is 0 to in between the 0 and 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Here also measurement you are seeing that 20 degree. So here also it is measurement is 0 to what? 90. 0 and 90 of that. So this is also acute angle. So it is clear to you all. So today we will start another topic. You will know about polygon. Okay? Today we will start. You will know about a polygon. What is a polygon? Okay? What is a polygon? A simple closed figure made up of 3 or more straight line segments. Polygon is a simple closed figure made up of 1 or more line segment. So what is a polygon? A simple closed figure made up of 3 or more line segment. 3 or more line segment. Okay. So it will be the simple figure made up of 3 or more line segment are called polygon. Clear it is? So you see that this one made up of 3 or more line segment, you can say this is a polygon, or this is also it is made up of 3 or more line segment. This is also one type of polygon, or you can say this one is also a polygon. Okay. So what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure that is made up of 3 or more line segment. It is a closed figure. You are seeing closed figure made up of 3 or more line segment, that is known as polygon. That means circle is polygon? No, circle is not a polygon because line segment is not there. So circle is not a polygon. The figure with a curved line, that means like this figure, that is not a polygon. Or figure with like this line segment is also there, it is polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Understood? This is polygon? No. These all are the polygon. These all figures are known as polygons, and these are not polygons. Okay. Clear it is? So what you have seen now, you have seen today about a polygon. What is a polygon? A simple closed figure made up of 3 or more line segment is known as a polygon. Okay. So here you are seeing this figure, it is more than 3 line segment. So this is polygon. This is also more than 3 line segment. This is also more than 3 line segment. So circle is polygon? No, because circle is not having a polygon. So these all figures are not polygon, because here circle is there, here line segment is there, but here you see round curve figure is there. So it is not a polygon. Here also you can see that if any line is curved, then it will be not a polygon. Understood? So it is polygon? No. Here also line is not touching here, it is also not a polygon. So it is clear to you all. Next class we will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you everyone.